Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.